Hello, my name is Thomas. I got the all-on-4 procedure done at Stone Lodge Dental in McKinney, Texas. When I turned 40 years old, I was diagnosed with a tumor on my left tonsil. And I had to go through 7 weeks of radiation to my head and my neck, which destroyed my saliva glands, and I started having problems. Over 20 years, it got really, really bad. It just deteriorated to the point where I had dentin exposed on several teeth and infections at the root of several teeth. And I couldn't even touch my face. It was that bad. I was in a desperate search for a solution. I stumbled upon Dr. Prida, and he says, "Oh yeah, we have this all-on-4 procedure where we remove all your teeth and stick implants in your bone and bolt an arch on top of that." And I thought, wow, that's crazy. What are you talking about?
When Thomas first came in, I saw a patient that has suffered systemic disease like cancer and the consequences that leave behind chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So when he came, he had no emotional reserve to endure another significant treatment.
He really went above and beyond for me in my case. He showed up before his practice opened to talk to me about this procedure because I was so apprehensive. To have someone say to me, "I'm going to pull all your teeth," that just freaked me out. It's pretty disturbing to me.
The reality is a patient psychology comes before the body of the patient. It's all in our mind when we're going to face a very harsh situation and how we handle that. And we're here. And every dentist, the profession in general, should always consider the patient's emotion and the process rather than the actual details. So what I offered to him, I said, look, I do the beginning of the treatment at no cost to you. I just want you to get a taste of what it's like to have a tooth extracted and place an implant and see if you can tolerate that. I'm not gonna charge you. If that's something that you feel okay about it, then we'll go ahead and do the rest of your all-on-4.
I thought, if he's gonna go that extra mile for me, I think I'm gonna have to reciprocate and give him the trust that he's showing, to me. So I moved forward, and I'm glad I did. I mean, it's been a life-changing experience to be able to eat without dental pain or, embarrassment in front of my friends, or, just general everyday living is much improved.
You could see how his personality, how the flow energy coming out of him in every post-op care that we did, 1 week, 2 weeks, a month. Thomas was rehabilitating not just dentally, but also psychologically. His energy, his flow, his personality coming out of him in such a way from negative to positive. It's just a wonderful and beautiful transformation to see on a patient.
I would recommend anyone that wants to do this procedure to, check out Dr. Prida. He's really, he knows what he's doing.